Hi guys, my name is Gautam and you are watching Gyantech Gautam. Today we discuss on the topic of top 10 richest persons of India. Let's start. Wealth does not remain static, especially during the fluctuating industry scenario today. India has produced several billionaires who occupy a significant number of slots on list of wealthiest person in the world today. Top 10 richest person in India as per latest Forbes data. Number 1. Mukesh Ambani. The wealthiest person in India, Mukesh Ambani of Reliance Industry occupies 5th slot in the world's richest person list. Mukesh Ambani has net worth of $75.7 billion. Much of Mukesh wealth ensure from the petrochemicals and the oil and gas business built by his father Dhirubhai Ambani, a business icon in his own right. But Mukesh is pivoting to more consumer facing business like telecom and retail. Reliance Jio is one of the largest telecom network in India today and has already raised over 20 millions in recent months, and next leg of fundraising will be for retail. In this list, number 2 is Shiv Nadar. With his 16.5 billion estimate net worth, Shiv Nadar ranks as the second richest person in India. HCL Technologies, founded by him, is a $23 billion market value company and one of the largest software service exporter in the world today, with the presence of over 45 countries on the globe. HCL Technology makes Shiv Nadar claims the 91st slots in the list of world richest person. In this list, the third wealthiest person of India is Radhakrishna Damani and family. Radhakrishna Damani net worth of $15.1 billion, which make him the third richest person in India today. He occupies the 110th position in the global richest person. Radhakrishnan Damani is a veteran Mumbai stock market investor who founded the supermarket chain D-Mart, which went public in 2017 and eventually went on be the world's most valued retail chain for its unique models that makes the holding company Avenue Supermarts more profitable than many of its peers. Number 4. Gautam Adani. Gautam Adani net worth as the latest record is $12.7 billion. He is the fourth richest person in India and rank 139 on the list of world most richest person. Apart from Mudra Port, the largest in India, his wealth generated portfolios include a range of commodities, power generations, including renewable energy like solar farms and transmission, to name a few. Number 5. Kripas Poonawalla. Rank as fifth richest person in India. Kripas Poonawalla has a net worth of $11.8 billion. He founded the Serum Institute of India in 1966 and it is today the largest producer of vaccines of measles, influenza and polio. At present, the company is also co-developing two vaccines for COVID-19 and has a significant lead over the other similar research that are underway. In the world in the world richest person list, he ranks in 150th position. Number 6. Uday Kotak. The founder of Kotak Mahindra Bank, Uday Kotak, occupies 6th position on the list of India richest person with the net worth of $11.5 million. Kotak takes 155 place on the world richest person in the world. Number 7. Sunil Mittal and family. Sunil Mittal and family net worth of $11 billion, position them in the seventh place on the India richest person. The telecom tycoon has founded Bharti Airtel, which is one of the largest mobile phone operator in India as well as in Africa. Sunil ranks 165 on the world richest person in the list. Number 8. Lakshmi Mittal. The chairman and CEO of Acrocol Mittal, Sunil Mittal, has net worth of 9.4 million dollars and ranked as 8th richest person in India. His wealth status position him in the 192nd place on the world's richest person in the list. He is known for trunking six steel producing company into profitable ventures across the world. He most recently backed the bankrupt SL Steel in India, which was organized by Ruya family. Number 9. Kumar Birla. Standing at the 219th position in the world richest person in the list, Kumar Birla has net worth of $8.5 billion, which make him the ninth wealthiest person in India. He had the Aditya Birla Group, which he inherits of the fourth generation in row. His group is concerned with producing cement and aluminium alongside retail, telecom, and financial services. Number 10. Dilip Shagangi. The 10th richest person in India is Dilip Shagangi, whose latest net worth is $8 billion. The founder of Sun Pharma and Dilip Shagangi has turned him first into the largest player in the manufacturing of specialty generic drugs. He has also invested in energy and oil ventures. On the world richest person list, he ranked in the 240th position.